I have a great stick vacuum to show you, and I love stick vacuums. So let me give you all the details on it. This one is from Inteture. And this one is unique to other stick vacuums because it has a nice LED screen here. When you go to turn it on, I will show you all the features, but you'll have a battery indicator here, and you'll have the level of suction indicated for you. You've got all these, it's very stylish and cute. Blue, and here is what the end looks like. This is telescopic, so of course you can make it shorter, and it comes with a couple other ends. Let me show you. It comes with a more direct and slim attachment, as well as a nice bristled one, which I think is great for upholstery. This vacuum is great for hardwood floors and low pile carpet, tile, all of those kind of things. It has 3 suction levels, and time wise, if you're on the lowest suction level, you should typically get a close to an hour of runtime with a full charge. If you're using the highest suction level, you'll get close to about 15 minutes runtime, but you really don't have to use the high level very often. It would be for a really rare circumstance, and sometimes I use it on high traffic areas on the carpet, but otherwise the low suction one does a great job. And I'm going to demo it for you so that you know what to look for, because I've had stick vacuums before that don't pick up crumbs, and I have 2 toddlers in my house. It is constantly crumbs. So when I have a stick vacuum that A, is already charged and easy to grab, I'm more likely to clean it up, and 2, that actually gets crumbs up, then I get excited about it. So I'm gonna show you the charging station that comes with this, what that looks like, the stand, and then we will demo the suction power. Before we do that, I wanted to add that you get 2 replacement filters, and you also get a brush and a hook to help clean out some of the accessories as well. Okay, so hopefully now that I have my microphone on, you'll be able to hear me more than you hear the vacuum, but I'm gonna turn this on so that you can see the screen, because to me, this is the best part of it. Here you can see I have 100% for my battery level, and I have, these are the suction indicators here. So right now it is on the lowest one. We push this, we move up to the middle level, we push it again, and the high level. And you can see where it's at there. You can see the battery life you'll have using all these settings as well. So hopefully you're able to hear me over that. Let's test this out. So for setup, you have a couple of different options here. It comes with this mounting base that you can install to your wall, and using that, you can plug the charger right up to it, and it will charge your vacuum anytime you set it down into the base. And here it will show you that it's charging and what the percentage is. You can also unplug this and plug it in right here and just do it directly there if you don't want to install the mount. But the mount is very handy because it can hold some of your accessories as well. So I'm taking you to my kitchen, and this is definitely the crummiest area of the house. I'm going to turn the vacuum on, and I currently have it on the lowest setting. And I'm going to show you the size of these crumbs and how well it does. It got every crumb on the lowest setting. And for me, this is a game changer because, as I mentioned, other stick vacuums that I have had cannot do this, even on the max level, much less the lowest. Not to mention, it's very lightweight, so my arm doesn't get tired using this vacuum. You also have the bin here, which all you do to empty this bin is just press the little button on the bottom, and it just pops open and you dump it straight into your trash can. So everything about this is very user-friendly and easy. So if you're looking for a new stick vacuum, I highly recommend checking out this one from Inteture.